Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to get back your deleted TikTok account. Before you start the video, I like to request you, please subscribe my channel by click on subscribe button. Let's have a look. First open your TikTok apps and open it up on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on sign up option. Then choose your deleted account. After that, press send code. You will see reactive your TikTok account. That means you can recover your TikTok account within 30 days. If you want to reactive your TikTok account, then press on reactive button. Then your account will be reactivated. If you like our videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.